We are living through the most significant technological pivot in human history. As of late January 2026, the era of the simple chatbot is officially over. We have moved from generative AI that simply talks to agentic AI that actually works. Today, we're looking at the gadgets and software launching this February that are turning our devices into autonomous digital workers. From thinking engines to smart rings, the world is about to look very different. The headline of 2026 is OpenAI's release of GPT-5.2. CEO Sam Altman calls it a thinking engine. Unlike previous versions, this model has achieved doctoral-level intelligence in specialized fields like molecular biology and advanced coding. It doesn't just summarize your emails, it reasons through complex projects and executes them across your apps. This is the first AI that truly understands human intent, rather than just predicting the next word in a sentence. But the real power of 2026 is agentic AI. These are autonomous droids that live in your software. Companies like Microsoft are now deploying agents that can handle 80% of corporate tasks without human supervision. Imagine a digital assistant that doesn't wait for your command, but instead identifies a problem in your schedule or your code and fixes it before you even wake up. We are no longer using tools. We are now managing digital colleagues. While AI grows in the cloud, our hardware is shrinking. 2026 is the year of the smart ring. Leading the pack is the Aivela Ring Pro, which adds gesture control to deep health tracking. Unlike smartwatches, these rings are designed for invisible tech. They track 60 different biomarkers, including glucose trends and blood pressure, and use AI doctors to give you a podcast-style summary of your health every evening. It is the ultimate fusion of fashion and medicine. We are seeing a massive push away from screens. New AI wearables, like the Luki L1, continuously capture your point of view and whisper advice into your ear. It can tell you when to skip that third cup of coffee or summarize your entire day into a digital memory bank. The goal of 2026 technology is to replace the phone in your hand with a companion on your body that lets you keep your eyes on the real world while staying connected to the digital one. AI isn't staying behind glass anymore. NVIDIA recently announced the ChatGPT moment for robotics. Their new Cosmos models are allowing humanoid robots to learn by simply watching humans. Companies like Boston Dynamics are now deploying these robots into warehouses and homes. These aren't just machines. They are general-purpose robots that can reason, plan, and perform physical chores autonomously, changing the labor market forever as we speak. February 2026 is a massive month for mobile. The Samsung Galaxy S26 series is launching on February 25th, focusing on agent-native hardware. These phones have dedicated chips designed to run AI agents locally for maximum privacy. Even Apple is expected to shake up the market with rumors of their first foldable finally entering the production line. The smartphone is no longer just a phone. It is becoming the central brain of your personal AI ecosystem. With all this always-on tech, privacy is the biggest debate of 2026. Experts warn that AI agents could become the leading cause of data breaches, as they have access to almost every part of our digital lives. California's Attorney General is already demanding that companies stop the generation of unverified deepfake content. As tech becomes more personal, the line between helpful assistance and total surveillance is becoming dangerously thin for the average user. One of the coolest trends of early 2026 is longevity tech. New devices like the Neurologic's Longevity Mirror use optical imaging to analyze blood flow patterns in your face to detect early signs of illness. We're seeing a shift from reactive medicine to proactive wellness, where our gadgets act as 24/7 health monitors that can predict medical issues weeks before they happen. Your mirror might literally save your life by spotting a heart condition. 2026 is the year tech stopped being a distraction and started being an extension of ourselves. From the rings on our fingers to the thinking engines in our pockets, the boundary between human and machine is blurring. It is a period of technological acceleration unlike anything we have ever seen. If you want to stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly changing world, hit that subscribe button for daily tech deep dives. The future is already here. I will see you in the next one.